You are going to love the 2024 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, stability control, power brakes, braking assist, ambient lighting, traction control, upholstery, semi-aniline leather, voice-activated navigation system, driver attention alert system. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.